How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another Discover Wellness with Dr. David. Here today, we're going to talk about weight training. You may be an individual and you don't even go to the gym yet. And so it can seem really overwhelming when you walk into the gym and you see these guys squatting 45-pound plates on each side and are the size of Goliath. And it can feel intimidating when you first go in, but everybody started somewhere. Everybody had to start never going before. And so all you have to do is just take those first initial steps and start going. But something that you may be wondering if you're first going is how can I build as much muscle as possible effectively? And the way you're going to do that is by doing as much volume as possible. And volume is simple physics. It's just amount of weight moved over time. And so the more volume total you're doing, you're going to create a lot more hypertrophy. And hypertrophy is your muscles tearing and breaking down. And then the repair process is what grows your muscles. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to stay at least within your 10 rep range. So you want to be at least able to do 10 to 15 reps each time of what you're doing. And towards the end, it's going to feel really difficult, but that's when you're getting the most hypertrophy there. And you're going to want to start with your compound movements, bench press, dumbbell bench press, pull-ups, and then you can finish off with isolated movements on your biceps, like bicep curls or chin-ups. Lots of things that can single out those muscles. If you go to a gym, those machines, you're going to want to do that after your compound movements. And then if you're somebody who is going to the gym a lot, you already have muscle mass that you're satisfied with, certainly employ more of high weight and low reps. So you're going to want to stay within your 3 to 5 rep range. And you're going to be close to failing at the end, and just go as far as you can. Of course, maintaining good form is the most important. And so that's why I recommend to stay within the 3 to 5 rep range, because if you're training near your 1 to 2 rep max, you're going to put yourself in a compromised position to get injured. And so always bear that in mind. Keep safety first, because if you injure yourself, you're going to be out at the gym a lot longer, and it's going to hurt your gains more than having 5 extra pounds on each side. If that's going to put you in a position where you're not going to be able to have proper form. And then, so let's say you want to incorporate a little bit of strength and muscle hypertrophy. So then you just take a combination of those two things. If you're trying to train heavier for strength, you'll focus more on those lower weight or higher weight, lower reps. And then you can also mix in some the isolated machine movements after your heavy compound movements to gain a little bit of hypertrophy as well as strength gains. And then if you're focusing mostly on hypertrophy, but you still want a little bit of strength, then start your workouts with those heavy compound movements as well. But focus a lot more on those isolated movements and spend at least 2/3 of your time doing those high rep lower weight ranges, at least to the 10 rep range. But that's it. If you're getting started going to the gym, leave down in the comments what your experience has been like. It's difficult, and so I encourage everybody else to encourage in those good habits as well, so everybody can feel better, be healthy, and make this world a better place. So thanks for tuning in, and have an awesome rest of your day. And remember to share us on all of your social media as well.